In today's video, I'm using up some leftover paints from my purple Dutch pour, and I'm actually going to do a pour over the bottom of a bottle, and it creates kind of an interesting flower shape. So the only other color that I've mixed up and I'm adding to this is some white for the base coat, and then I will be pouring all of my other colors over the bottom of the bottle. So I just started putting my white down for my base, and then I just used a palette knife to smooth it out. So once I had my base coat smoothed out, I just put my bottle on the center of, or as close to the center of my wood surface as I could get, and then I just started alternating my colors and pouring them over the bottom of the bottle. One thing I noticed is I probably actually should not have put the base coat down. Some of the white started drying really quickly, and you can see I'm not getting a nice rounded shape in the petal areas. It's very wavy where it's hitting that white paint and it's stopping, the white paint is stopping it from moving. So that was a little different, but once I actually did a reverse dip on this, the waviness actually kind of gave it more of an organic flower feel. So it wasn't exactly how I wanted it to turn out, but it was still a really interesting design to try out. And it was a great way to use up my leftover paints. Once I had my paints poured, I just removed the bottle. And then I decided to take a damp paper towel and do a reverse dip on it. So I just had a really damp paper towel, I laid it on top. And then gently removed it. So unfortunately my paint moved to one side quite a bit, so it was not as even as I had hoped it would turn out to be, but I still really like the colors, and it was kind of fun to just do something different. I haven't done a bottom bottle pour in quite a long time. And then, of course, I love the dips, so doing the reverse dip on it just gave it a little something extra for this piece. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, especially if you'd like to see some more of these bottom bottle pours. I can definitely try out some other ones with some different color palettes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell for notifications. I put out 3 videos a week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching today.